Hello lovelies, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, hi, my name is Jessica. I like to do cleaning videos, and man do I have, sorry, that's my daughter screaming, but she's fine. But I have a lot for you today. We are all getting over a cold, so I'm making some vegetable soup for my family. But while I'm waiting for that to cook, I'm going to get the kitchen all cleaned up, living room, and probably even the bathroom tonight. I got off of work maybe about hour and a half ago. Had to grab, the groceries. So yeah, I hope you're all in a clean or needing some clean motivation today. So let's get on to it. This is the mess that we are dealing with in the kitchen. This video ends up actually kind of being a 2-day thing because as messy as the kitchen was, it was kind of the only thing I got done tonight or on this night. So then I just started to do the living room and the bathroom the next day. So of course, first off, we are going to be doing the dishes just to get them out of the sink and get it a little bit tidier. I always like to start with the dishes because they feel like, or it feels like it takes me the longest to get done. And sorry, once again, my camera keeps on cutting off in the middle of filming. Eventually, I'm going to get a new camera, guys. I really do apologize for this. And my dishwasher was already full at this point, so then I just went ahead and was washing everything else by hand. Which sometimes is a daunting task, but actually sometimes I just like to wash everything by hand because I feel like they get cleaner better that way than the dishwasher. At least with my dishwasher, because I feel like most of the time with my dishwasher, I just have to end up washing things by hand anyways, because it is, especially stuff on the top rack, it doesn't get stuff all the way clean. Like the bottom rack's fine. I don't know what's wrong with my dishwasher, but yeah. So most of the time I'll just end up washing things by hand. But if I'm tired, I'll throw most of it in the dishwasher and then just worry about it later. Now with the dishes being all done, I'm going to clean out the sink. I'm just going to be using my the pink stuff, and then I'm also going to be using my Scrub Daddy to scrub down the sink.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart, cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we move on. It's alright, so let's 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 move on. We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart. Cause I know we won't make it out, I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out, we've heard it all before. It's alright. Hey, it's alright. Hey, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on.
Now I'm just getting ready to throw a load into the washer, just putting some of my scent beads in, my Tide detergent, and then my Downy fabric softener. And I'm sure since you can tell from the change of clothes, but this is now day 2 of me cleaning my house.
It's alright, so let's move on.
And now I'm just moving into the living room, taking stuff off of this little table here. And then I will also just be tidying up the couch and then the chair and sweeping the floor.
You and I, we're trouble inside. Beating hearts don't lie. An empty page, a story to write. I'm in love, you're divine, and it's all in our signs. We're going away. Get your bag, check the tag. Decision is made. Lock your door, need no more. It's already paid. Cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. God, I'm praying I'm not alone in this air of hope. 'Cause I'm in love, you're a star, burning bright in my heart. We're going away. Get your bag, check the tag. Decision is made.
And I don't know if any of your kids do this, let me know down in the comments below, but I always have to check my daughter's shoes for socks because for some reason that's where she stuffs it down into. But yeah, let me know down below if your child does something like that or something else.
We'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. We're going away. Get your back, check the tag. A journey for life, and it's already paid. Cancel your mail for a
I love to hear how my daughter just went back into her room and just had to grab her little vacuum too to be just like mommy. I love it.
We'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on.
then I will just be grabbing the clothes out of the dryer now and then putting a load into the dryer and then another load into the washer. I had a lot of laundry to do this day. Again, here I'm going to apologize because my camera was cutting out on me again. But I'm just going to be tidying up the bathroom, the counters, which are always a mess. And then I'll also be cleaning the toilet. I didn't really film me doing the tub this night because I just kind of did a quick clean of that so I could give my daughter a bath.
It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean.
And here's where it's about to be the end of the video. So with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some cleaning motivation. Or if you just enjoy watching cleaning videos, I hope you just enjoy this video in general. And if this is your first time here, I will hope you will hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join my little YouTube family. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye guys.